Dear students, today we will discuss the numerical problem based on colligative property, which is very important from the examination point of view. So here is the first question. The question is, a 5% solution by mass of cane sugar in water has freezing point of 271 Kelvin. Calculate the freezing point of 5% glucose in water if freezing point of pure water is 273.15 Kelvin. So here the question is saying that a 5% solution of cane sugar in water has freezing point of 271 Kelvin, and the freezing point of pure water is given to you. That means this is the freezing point of water. It is at 0 degree centigrade, because we know that 0 degree centigrade means 273.15 Kelvin. So there are two cases. In first case, in case of cane sugar, so in case of cane sugar, 5% solution of cane sugar is dissolved in water. So here cane sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. So 5% solution by mass is given to you. That means 5% means W by W is given to you. So here weight, or you can say weight of solute is 5 gram. So 5% means 5 gram of the solute is given, and rest of the thing will be your solvent part. So here if WB is the weight of solvent, then weight of solute is 5 gram, then weight of solvent WA will be 95 gram. This is what? This is water. WA is solvent or water. If we will convert it into kilograms, then we may write it down as 95 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Now in this case, a 5% solution of cane sugar in water has freezing point is given to you, has freezing point of 271 Kelvin, and we know that delta TF is equals to TF naught minus TF. So from this we can easily find out the depression and freezing point. Here TF naught is given to you. TF naught is for pure water, so TF naught is given to you, that is 273.15 Kelvin, and TF is given to you, that is 271 Kelvin, and TF is equals to 271 Kelvin, it is also given to you. So this difference we can easily find out, that is 273.15 minus 271 Kelvin, that is it is approximately 2.15 Kelvin. Now we know that for cane sugar, molecular mass will be, the formula for cane sugar is C12H22O11. So its molecular mass is 342 gram per mole. It's 342 gram per mole. And we know that delta TF relative, it is the depression and freezing point is equals to Kf into m, molality. So here delta TF, we have the value of delta TF as 2.15 is equals to Kf. Value of Kf is not given, so just write it down as it is. And here m is the molality, that means number of moles of solute, that is 5. Number of moles, that is mass of solute divided by molecular mass, and weight of solvent is 95 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is equation number 1. Now in the second case, 5% glucose in water is given to you. 5% glucose in water is given, and you have to calculate the freezing point of 5% glucose in water. freezing point of 5% glucose in water, that means you have to calculate TF. You have to calculate TF. So in case of glucose, again 5% glucose in water means WB, weight of solute, is 5 gram. Then weight of solvent will be 95 gram, or you can write down as 95 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. Now we know that molecular mass of glucose is equals to 180 gram per mole, and delta TF will be equals to Kf into m. Here delta TF will be, Kf will be written as it is. Then here 5 gram divided by 180 molecular mass into weight of solvent, that is 95 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. So this is equation number 2. Now on dividing equation 2 by 1, delta TF divided by 2.15 will be is equals to Kf into 5, and here 180 into 95 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 342 into 95 into 10 raised to power minus 3 and 5 gram. So when we will calculate this, our delta TF will be approximately 4.085 Kelvin, and we know that delta TF is equals to TF naught minus TF. So here the value of delta TF is 4.085 is equals to delta TF naught, we know that 273.15 Kelvin minus TF, which we have to find out. So our TF will be 269.07 Kelvin. That means on adding 5% glucose in water, there will be depression in freezing point, and it will depress by 269.07. That means below 0 degree centigrade.